Easter time in Kinilow. So as you can see, in front of the garden, in this house, the congregation of GMIM, they put some cross and some banner about Jesus when he died, and around it the story of the Jesus when he died. So like what is the name, the steps history of Jesus, like this one, Jesus being held by Simon the Cyrene, and then when Jesus fall down, and then when he been beat up, story of the Jesus when he being crossed. So here in my village Kinilow, the Apelez house, nice beautiful view. Still have the Apelez house, family house, traveler room, observing nature, tourism info, and mixed with the nice beautiful sunset. So voila, this is my village Kinilow, the Apelez house on Lokon, crater Monampung, crater Tompuluan. That is Mount Ampung. Good day and be blessed. Have a nice Palm Sunday here in Minahasa, village Kinilow, especially in Tombulu tribe, city Tomohon. Be blessed. Blessed Sunday. This is a Palm Sunday, almost Easter, and homestay, and then the congregation of the GMIM Church Petra Kinilow and Jerusalem Church. They built this nice beautiful cross, symbolize the Easter situation here in Minahasa, with the nice step history of Jesus. Start from when he been punished to death, and then Jesus have to bring the cross. And then when Jesus fall down at the first time, and then Jesus meet her mother, goes to the Jesus being held by the Simon of Cyrene, and then next story, the layer of every story, to the deep point where Jesus being crossed in the die in the cross, and then enter to the place where Jesus been burned. So the GMIM Jerusalem Church built this park for symbolize the history of Jesus when he died here in Tombulu tribe, village Kinilow, city Tomohon, North Sulawesi, Celebes. Happy nice Palm Sunday for you all over this world, from us here at Apelez house. And that's the crown of Jesus when he been put in the cross. As you can see, the people here are very creative, and they make the crown of Jesus. And actually when the night, welcome to my village Kinilow, Tombulu tribe. City Tomohon, Minahasa, North Celebes, Indonesia. In my Easter park built by the congregation of the GMIM, especially in church in Jerusalem downstairs. So they make a little cross. 3 big crows symbolize Jesus, and then the other 2 around him, and then the crown of Jesus. Also the story of Jesus. So from that history came down here, and Jesus been put to sentence to death, and then when Jesus have to take the cross, when Jesus fall down, Jesus met her mother, been helped by the Simon of Kyrene, and then when Jesus fell down again for the third time, and then when Jesus put in the cross, and then when Jesus died in the cross, and the tick point of everything, when Jesus been buried in grave. Nice, beautiful park symbolize the history of Jesus when he been crossed in Jerusalem, but now not in Jerusalem, but now in North Celebes, Indonesia, Minahasa tribe, especially in sub-tribe Tomohon in Petra Kinilow. We make this to symbolize what happened in 2,000 years ago in Israel. It's not happened in Israel, it happened here in Minahasa. So you can see we're very connected by faith globally. Almost forget one mountain over there, that's the Manmahau. So it was in the middle of every mountain. Man. Iyo dahil dong na baking pe bagus tuh apa? Taman. Iyo. Sibuk kasana kamari. Hah? Oh iyo, beres gampang.